In this video, you'll learn how the booster bot sees the chart and how it performs the analysis. And the most important thing is that after this video, you will be able to go and activate this bot and start earning with it. Over 1,000 a week. Get comfortable and I'll explain everything now. BoosterBot has grown a lot in the last 2 years and now needs to use bigger one, Power. Now I'm going to tell you how it analyzes the chart, and let's jump right into an example as I activate this robot. I choose the currency pair that I like, I choose what's currently available in the market, and let's go with the British pound and the Japanese yen. I like the movement on this currency pair, so I'm giving the task to the bot to analyze this currency pair. For one minute. I receive a buy signal, and right from here I open a buy trade. Many people already know that BoosterBot is an artificial intelligence that we have trained for a long time as a team, and now we've achieved results that really impress us and we are very proud of them. That's more than 20,000 users of BoosterBot. Just think about it. 20,000 people are using this bot. And what is the main advantage of this robot? It's that it can analyze a lot of interesting things. For example, how it analyzes news. Every day financial news comes out that affects the economy, our currencies, and most importantly, the financial market. If a positive news story comes out, we get a very big green candle. If a negative news story comes out, we get a very big red candle. This is, for example, how over these 2 years we taught the BoosterBot to analyze the news background. It's not the coolest thing, but not many can boast about it. For example, if you start trading and you haven't checked what news is coming out, the BoosterBot will really help you out in that regard. If there's a strong red impulse, the BoosterBot will notice it, and accordingly, it will warn you. That's why the statistics for this robot show about 85% positive trades. That's if we take the total. The next huge advantage of this robot is that it has 94 indicators built into it. Just think about it. Right now you see only 3 indicators on the screen and you and I can barely see the graph. There are 94 of them in BoosterBot. If there's no news background right now for a particular currency pair, then BoosterBot switches to the indicators. But that's not all, because after the indicators come the technical tools. BoosterBot combines technical analysis with smart money, so it knows all the areas and ranges where the price is most likely to bounce right now. Overall, it's a very versatile machine that does analysis really well. If we compare it with a professional trader, then in some situations the trader gets lost and cannot earn. And BoosterBot consistently does its job. By the way, you can grab this bot right now through the link in the description. Just go ahead, activate this bot, and if anything doesn't work out for you, then write to the support account. The BoosterBot is available to everyone who wants to join our community. Just click the link in the description, activate this bot, and start earning the same amounts. I'm now choosing the euro-dollar currency pair. I'm going into the BoosterBot, selecting this currency pair, and giving the BoosterBot the task to analyze this currency pair. For 1 minute. I'm getting a buy signal. Right from here, I'm opening a buy trade, and let's analyze this currency pair. What are we observing here? There's a good upward movement here. The price has reached a pretty strong level at the moment. It received a strong bounce and is now ready to move up. This is if I were doing such an analysis. Moreover, we can see that my entry point is roughly from this level. That was below, so it's a pretty confident trade for an upward movement. And let's keep an eye on it. A great trade brings me $804. As you can see, my analysis turned out to be correct. And the most important thing is that the BoosterBot didn't make a mistake either. It rarely makes mistakes. And this mostly happens when there are some market disruptions. But we warn about this in our Telegram channel so that people can be cautious. So make sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel to not miss important market news that you can profit from. You'll also find a lot of very useful guides here to help you earn even better and faster in trading. Now I'm selecting the currency pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. I'm switching to the BoosterBot, getting a new signal and choosing this currency pair. I'm setting the trade time to 1 minute. And I get a sell signal, so I'm opening a sell trade right from here. If we do a little analysis, we can see that there is a pretty strong level on this currency pair that the price has just reached. And if we take a closer look, we can see a good downward movement here. The price is making a very strong correction, and now we can expect a good downward movement. The most important thing is that there should be a very strong impulse here. Unfortunately, this trade closed at zero. As you can see, the price couldn't get a strong bounce, so this trade closed at a loss. But I'm not upset. I'll just open the next trade for $500 or even $600 to cover my loss It happens, and you need to take it normally. This happens quite rarely. But you need to understand that there are no 100% trades anywhere and with anyone. In trading, it doesn't exist. Choosing a currency pair again. British pound, Japanese yen. Click in. To get a new signal, select a currency pair and the time for the transaction is 1 minute. And I'm getting a buy signal. Right from here, open a buy deal. As you can see, the price has not broken through the upper level yet, but we have reached the lower level. We can see this from all these densities. Here we have density 2, density 3 here, density 4 here, and density 5. Accordingly, we have always turned around and moved higher from this level, and I think this will be no exception. Let's keep an eye on it. A nice quick trade is bringing me $200 and I'm covering my previous loss. Let me remind you that the Booster Bot is available to everyone via the link in the description. Just follow it and activate it. If you have any questions, feel free to message the support account. These guys will always help you and answer all your questions. Well, if you activate the Booster Bot and dedicate 20 or 30 minutes a day, you'll be able to earn money. The same results come very quickly. I wish you huge profit success and see you soon.